We have to focus on one thing. If I can focus on one thing, I wish everyone in Copenhagen well. I will be there. I will be rooting for them, okay? But my own view is it's going to be very difficult to get 192 countries to all agree on verifiable limits and reductions of their CO2 emissions, but I will be in there pushing for it. But at the same time, we have to remember that ultimately this is a problem to be solved by engineers and not just by regulators. The regulators are important, but the engineers are more important. And that's why when people ask me, what is my favorite fuel? Are you a wind guy, Friedman? You a solar guy? You a geothermal guy? What I always tell them is I'm an ecosystem for innovation guy. That's my fuel. I want to see us set in motion an ecosystem of rules, prices, standards, and regulations that will stimulate 10,000 green innovators in 10,000 garages trying 10,000 things, 1,000 of which will be promising, 100 of which will be way cool, and 2 of which will be the next green Google and green Microsoft and give us that answer of abundant, cheap, clean, reliable electrons. Friends, if you take nothing else away from this talk, please take this, because we have to look this straight in the eye, no BS. The only way you will have a sustainable ecosystem for innovation, the one thing it must have is a fixed, long-term, durable price signal for carbon. If you do not have that, it's okay. If you do not have that, you will not get innovation at scale. What you will have are hobbies. I like hobbies. I used to build model airplanes as a kid. I don't try to change the climate as a hobby.